Hi everyone, I'm up to this video. It's a complete mishmash today. Charity shop hauls, car boot hauls, everything over the last couple of weeks I've picked up, so I'll get straight on into it. First of all, we have this Quantum Leap Season 2. I've already sold Season 3, these were 50p each. The Season 3 one, I think it was $8.99, it might have been on an offer, I can't remember. But I've listed the second season, I believe for $9.99. If it's anything different, I'll put it on the screen. But 50p from a charity shop, that was great. Also from a charity shop, we have this dory. It's had a wash because it was filthy. It's a proper Disney store with a stamp, which is great. It was $2.75. I haven't researched it yet, but I'll put on the screen roughly how much that should get. Probably around the £10 mark maybe. A couple of mugs, again Disney, £1 each. We have this Minnie Mouse with like flowers on, it's really pretty. Proper Disney store. £1 from a charity shop. And Tinkerbell, the same design roughly, just obviously Tinkerbell. Again, Disney store. They were £1 each and I've listed them for $9.99 each, which isn't too bad for a Disney mug. Got this today, Barbie mug, £1, all official, obviously from last year when the Barbie movie was out. Nice and sturdy, it should be worth more than £1 plus postage hopefully, so I'll do my research and put that on the screen, how much that should be. But for £1, I thought that was good value. Another charity shop pickup, a Zelf. I haven't seen many of these recently, and I've had this one before, it's called Wishka. Now, I completely forgot because it was a while ago, probably a couple of years, that this one didn't actually sell that well. Unfortunately, it's still not very sought after. I bought it for £1.50 from a charity shop, and I think I'll push be able to get $6.99 for it with postage, so not a great return on that, but when I saw it, I picked it up straight away because some Zelfs can be worth money. I just forgot that I'd sold this one before and it wasn't worth anything really. Got this today, Top Trumps Wonders of the World. It's complete. I counted the cards in the shop. Only £1, which is great because sometimes charity shops can charge anything up to about £3 for Top Trumps. I put the value on the screen. It might be around the £4 mark, £4 to £5 maybe, but I'll do my research on this exact one and see what it goes for. Also from today, I found 2 books in one charity shop. They were different prices for some reason. This was £1.50 and this one was £2. Now these will probably go in my Star Wars book bundle that I still haven't done. I've got a pile of books similar to these that I just need to make into bundles to list because they're not really worth anything on their own, unfortunately. And then in another charity shop today, I found this one. Champions of the Force. I have had this before. I've probably still got a copy or 2 of this. But for £1, I wasn't leaving it there. You don't see these Star Wars books every day in charity shops or car boots. So yeah, definitely picking that one up. Then we have this. This is, I don't know. It looks like Games Workshop. I'm going on the bases because when I had Games Workshop stuff as a kid, the bases looked like that with a slit in the middle. So I'm not 100% whether it is Games Workshop or not. They feel like plastic, lightweight plastic. They've all been painted. You probably can't really see them through the plastic. There's like a tank there. There's this big structure thing. And other creatures. If you recognise this and you're into Games Workshop, please leave me a comment. Tell me what it is. Other than that, I'll try and Google image it, but because they're painted, that might not work. But we'll see. It was $1.99 from an Oxfam shop, so I picked it up. For $1.99, I thought it was worth a gamble. Now, I can't really price it because I don't know what it is, and 2, because it's all painted and I don't know what it's worth. So This will be an auction. It will start at 99p and it will run for a week, and we'll see what happens with it. I'll try and research as much as possible before I list it, but I'll try and get it listed this weekend, just so it can have a week plus a weekend to end on. So yeah, that's my task for this weekend. Again, from today, I found this really gorgeous, cute reindeer. I believe it's a reindeer or deer. Turned it over and realised it was from IKEA. Now, some IKEA stuff can be worth a lot of money. Don't know if this one will be. I took a gamble at £3 for it. I don't even know the age of it. I don't think there's a date on it. But I'll look up the name. Dragby. And yeah, I'll put it on the screen how much hopefully that should go for. But he was too adorable, I couldn't leave him there. Then we finally get onto some car boot items. I've been to one car boot sale in the last couple of weeks, mainly because of the weather. They've not been very good at all this year so far. Picked up this Minnie Mouse. It's a huge Minnie Mouse, and it was only £1. It's a stamped one as well. But for £1, definitely picking that up. Value-wise, probably around £10, maybe £12.99 at a push. But that's what roughly these are usually sell for. I've sold similar ones, if not the same, before. This one looks a little bigger than ones I've had before, so I'm not 100%. Then we have a Sooty. My hand's a little big for it. You get the idea, it's usual Sooty. Now, I paid £2 for this, which is well overpriced. It's only from 2014, and the nose is all rubbed. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, unfortunately. So I will do my research, but I don't think that's going to be worth a lot more than £2 plus postage at a push. But slim pickings, I was literally just picking up anything I could. And there wasn't a lot to do at that. We have a mug. This is a Mandalorian Din Djarin helmet mug from Paladone. All official merchandise. But it's only worth about £9.99, so that's what I've listed it for on eBay. This was only £2 though, so not too bad. Then I found a vintage Star Wars figure. It was £3, but it's Zuckuss, a bounty hunter. It's listed on eBay for £12.99. So for £3, that's not too bad. They did have some others, but they were real low of the low and damaged, and I wasn't paying £3 for those because they're not even worth £3 plus postage. So unfortunately that was the only one I could pick up, but still listed for £12.99. I think that's quite good. Then the Entertainer. I don't know if you caught my last video. I picked up some figures from the Entertainer. They're selling off these retro collection ones at the moment. I picked up these two when they restocked. Darth Vader and an Obi-Wan Kenobi from the Obi-Wan Kenobi Disney Plus series. So they're in like the Kenner style. Really cool. I've got a whole collection of these that I will unbox one day. But they were £4 each. The Darth Vader's listed for £10. The Obi-Wan Kenobi is not worth as much. I don't quite know why. Maybe because it was overproduced. I don't know. But that one's listed for £8. So not a huge return, but it's Star Wars, and I love selling Star Wars stuff, as you probably know. Then to end with, there are 5 Star Wars figures I picked up in a bundle on eBay for my collection mainly, but a couple of them I have sold on eBay or selling on eBay. So we have Han Solo in trench coat. This figure is much better condition than the one I've got already. The one trench coat I had already had marks on it. This one's brilliant condition. So that's for my collection. And sell off the Han figure inside. Wiki, this one's actually from my collection. The one that was in the bundle I've sold already for $3.99. They don't hang around long, these Wiki figures. We've got a Walrus Man, or Ponda Baba if you want to use his proper name. A little floppy, but it's very reminiscent of the one I had as a kid. He had floppy limbs. And he's one of the harder to find figures, so I'm glad he was in this bundle. So I'll be keeping that one. One of my favourite figures, R5D4. This is mainly why I bought this bundle, because of this droid. The sticker's in very good condition for I think it's from 1978. So absolutely brilliant. I'm very happy with that figure. So definitely keeping that for my collection. And the last figure in the bundle was an Ugnaught. I have one already, so this is listed on eBay for $7.99. It was quite good condition, just some rubbing to the hair. But yeah, that's the last figure from this bundle. So a few more to add to my collection. I haven't got any more on the way. Figure wise, I've got a Rancor and another mini rig vehicle if they ever post it. I've bought them a week ago and they haven't even contacted me or posted it yet, so I'm a little worried about that, but we'll see. That's what I've picked up over the last couple of weeks. Not a lot. It's absolutely dire out there at the moment, car boot wise, because the weather's seems to be fine and then it rains at the weekends, so people don't go out, and they're not. It's all traders selling at car boots and stuff at the moment. Not real many families are doing it. Charity shops are empty. People aren't seem to be donating stuff at the moment from my experience, or I'm just being very unlucky. I'm hoping this might be a hidden treasure. I'm crossing my fingers. So other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Leave me any comments below. Do you like the stuff I've picked up this week, over the last couple of weeks? And if anyone knows what these are, please let me know, because it's going to be a headache otherwise. So other than that, guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you all soon. Take care, bye.